0 Thank you for returning to Wise Cars. 0 Today channel speed fans buckle up. 0 To the unofficial Mercedes-AMG 1 concept. 0 For 2025 just smashed into the present. 0 Furthermore, it goes beyond muscle flexing. 0 Redefining the term. Hypercar. 0 Elegance with German precision and 0 Sci-fi flair. Think of a Formula 1 car. 0 Falling in love with a high-end yacht. 0 That's this AMG beast sleek sculpted. 0 Lines hug a carbon monino like the skin. 0 Of a fighter jet with side blades. 0 Slicing the wind and a rear diffuser. 0 That looks like it was borrowed from a. 0 Spaceship. The body is dripped in nano. 0 Crystal silver paint that absorbs. 0 Sunlight and glows under moonlight. 0 Cockpit of tomorrow. Step inside and it's. 0 Like sitting in a high-tech lounge. 0 Hovering above the instrument. 0 Symphonic cluster is entirely digital. 0 Twin OLED screens curved around with. 0 Programmable modes of operation. The driver's AI. 0 Assistance and a yoke-style steering. 0 Wheel that was based on Lewis W. Hamilton's 1 o'clock. Ambient lighting in the playground responds to 102. Your adrenaline level. Yeah, it reads your. 104. Heartbeat beast beneath the beauty under. 107. Under the hood, a hybrid 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 110. Power unit derived from F1 cranking. 113. 1,200 horsepower with 4 electric. 116. Motors 0 to 100 km per f neck snapping. 120. 2.1 seconds. It does not move, rather it. 122. Launches rivals. Beware, think Aston. 125. Martin Valkyrie Julian remits NEA this. 128. Merg isn't just in the ring, it's the. 130. Main event is anticipated to cost around $3. 133 million if you're lucky enough to snag. 135. One ownership costs sky-high insurance. 138. Obsessive maintenance but depreciation. 141. Forget it, this is a future collectible. 143. Driving feels it's raw, it's smooth, it's. 146. Terrifyingly beautiful, feels like. 148. Holding a bolt of lightning in your. 150. Hands F1 technology in a Ferrari. Pros and cons. 153. Like design for street cars, jealous. 155. Pricey, rare. Thanks for watching Wise. 157. Cars.